Hello children, yesterday we have started exercise 2.2, so let's continue the exercise. Question number 1, I gave you the homework. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, what can you conclude about the two numbers? So if product of two whole numbers is 0, it means one of the numbers should be equal to 0. Both can also be 0, but at least one should be 0, only then the product will be 0. So at least one of the number must be 0, so that product is 0. Right? Question number 2, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, what can you conclude about the numbers? Now see, if the product of two numbers is 1, then how is it possible? If both are whole numbers, it means 1 will be multiplied by 1, then only the answer will come out to be 1. It means both the numbers are 1. Question number 3, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. So the A part is 308 plus 563 plus 222 plus 937. First thing we should also always keep in mind is we will try to pair the numbers such that we have 0 in the ones place. So 308 at ones place I am having 8. So 8 plus 2 will be 10. So this is the number which when added to this will make ones place 0. So pair up these two numbers, 308 plus 222 plus. Now see, 3 and 7 will make 10. It means again a 0 at the tens place. So 563 plus 937. After adding I got 530 plus this is 1500. So the answer is 2030. Always you will mention the property that you are using. Here I am pairing this with this and this second number with the fourth number. So I have shifted like this. So what is the property? The property is commutative property of addition. B part is 753 plus 607 plus 0 plus 94 plus 36. Now again 3 when added to 7 will make ones place 0. So we will add these two plus 0 is the additive identity as we have discussed yesterday, so it will not affect the answer. Now again 4 plus 6 again 10, so ones place will be 0. So 94 plus 36. 753 plus 607 is 1360. 94 plus 36 is 130. So adding them we get 1490. Now C part of this question is 67 plus 42 plus 33 plus 58. Now see, 7 will be added to 3, then it will give 10, means 0 at the ones place. So 67 plus 33. I am pairing this number with 33 and 42 plus 58. 8 plus 2 will give you again 10. So this is also the property, commutative property of addition. 67 plus 33 is 100. 42 plus 58 is again 100. So the answer is 200. D part is 564 plus 197 plus 103. Now see, 4. 4 will be added to 6, then it will make a 0, but we don't have a 6 here. But 7 when added to 3 will give us 10. So it means these two numbers can be paired. So let's put a bracket. So 197 plus 103 is 300. Now 300 plus 564 is 864. Next, E part of this question is your home assignment. 896 plus 208 plus 204 plus 792. Find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Now question number 4th is find the product using suitable properties. A part 625 plus 275 multiplied by 16. Again we will pair up in such a way that the ones place becomes 0. Now see, 5 into 5 will give 25. This is not a 0. So 5 into 6, I will see ones places. 5 into 6 gives 30. So 0 at the ones place. It means these two numbers can be paired up. So 625 multiplied by 16. I have shifted this number here and 275 here. It means I am following the property, commutative property of multiplication. 625 multiplied by 16 is 10,000 multiplied by 275. So the answer is 2750,000, or you can say 27 1,50,000. B part is 125 multiplied by 400 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 25. Now see, when 125 multiplied by 8 will give you 1000. So again 0 at the ones place, and 400 multiplied by 25 will give you again 10,000. So again I am following commutative property of multiplication. After multiplication I got 1 crore. C part is 385 multiplied by 5 into 60. So again 385 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 60, 5 into 60 will give you 300. So after multiplication answer is 1,15,500. D part is 8 into 391 into 125. Now see, when this 391 ones place is 1 multiplied by 8, answer will give you 8. So I will multiply 8 with 125 because 8 into 5 will give me 40. Again a 0 at the ones place. So pair up these two numbers and 391 here. So this is again commutative property of multiplication. After simplifying I got 3,91,000. Fifth question is simplify the following using suitable properties. Now 837 multiplied by 100 plus 3. We have done distributive property, so a multiplication with addition. So 837 into 100 first, then 837 into 3. So it will be like this with a plus sign in between. So 83700 plus 2511, the answer is 86,211. Mention the property here by distributive property. Now B part of this question is your home assignment. This is 536 multiplied by 1002. So I have given a hint here. You will split 1002 like this, 1000 plus 2. So this is the hint for the homework. Do the homework clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.